everyone. Today we are exploring a fantastic feature in Power BI that essentially let you search your report data just like you would search Google. We are talking about Input Slicer, which was previously known as Text Slicer during its preview phase. Unlike traditional slicers that force you to scroll through and select a list of predefined categories, input slicer allow you to use pre-formed text input to dynamically filter your report visuals. Today, we are covering its core compatibilities, including a latest feature that brings advanced numeric filtering to the tool. Let's break down how this tool actually works. The input slicer is incredibly versatile and operate in two primary modes. One is filtering mode and another one is input mode. When you bind your data columns to the slicer, it acts as a dynamic filter. You just type what you are looking for, which is perfect when you don't know the exact data values. Second is input mode. We will not be discussing about this mode in this video. We will take it separately. Once you enter a value and hit enter, your text convert into what we call filter pills. These pills visually represent your active filter and are fully interactive. You can double click to edit them, hit X to dismiss them. They will even cluster together to save space if you have many active filters. You have total control over how text matches your data using filter operators such as contain alls, start with any, is exactly. Finally, let's talk about the latest update that is numeric support. The input slicer now fully support numeric fields. You can type a specific syntax like range 1-2 greater than and combine multiple expression as separate fields to filter several ranges at once. Okay, now let's get into the demo. In the demo, there are two visuals and I've created two input slicers for each of them. So you can see this is a simple bar chart where product is sales is being filtered by the product. In the second visual, it is a cluster chart in which in the y-axis we have sales amount and on the x-axis we have quantity and we are showing product in this cluster chart. So now let's see the first feature which is text input. So suppose I type A and using the operators it has contain all, contain any. So suppose I click on contains any. So you can see where in the product wherever A is present will get filtered. Now let's does not start with N. So all the product which does not start with A will be shown over here. Now let's select start with any. So we don't have any product that start with A. So contains all. So it has all the A wherever A is present, all the product will be shown. Now this is regarding the text input. Now let's talk about the numeric input, which is the latest feature. So suppose we want to see quantity greater than 2. So if we type greater than 2, it is converted into a filter fill. And if we enter it, uh, sorry, actually we have interaction with both of them. So I will have to remove it. So you can see greater than 2 is 3. So we have a product t-shirt and the details are visible over here. Now let's see in the data how many 3 are present, how many product have quantity 3. So only one is present over here, that is t-shirt. Now see if we try to edit it and we see greater than equal to 2. So let's do this and we see 2 and 3. So in 2 we have multiple products such as jeans, we have headphone, and we have chair. So we can verify it with the data 1, 2, and 3. So that is what can be seen over there. So you can now practice this in your machine, and I think it's a great feature, and it provide more flexibility when specifically when we don't want to do drop down or we want to search something within your data. I think it's a great feature to try. Thank you.